One last step I'd like you to do, make sure you have each of these pieces selected. And then group them, okay? I'm sorry, edit group. One last point now. See how the body is not, I've been messing around with it a little bit. Let's try to scale it to get a shape a little better. That one has a -8 on its scale. That one has a 0.8. That one has... So everybody has a little bit of transformation information that we don't want. Now, what we've been doing all along is grabbing all of these guys and saying edit, delete by type, history. The problem is if I do that now with the arch, it will break the connection between the arch and the bend handle. So and that arch right now, because we just did all that information and we did all the delete the history and modify freeze transformations before we did the bend, that's in good shape. So I'm just going to pick everything else. So edit, delete by type, history, modify, freeze transformations. Okay. And now we've got everybody. And all of those, the transverse and the spinous, are really have their pivot point at the center of that canal. And then the body has got its pivot point in the middle, and the arch has its pivot point in the right at its tip there. Okay, so I just want you to have that group, because we're going to duplicate that group over and over and over again in order to build the entire vertebral column out of this schematic representation.